guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing the Nutribullet 1200 series. This means it's got a 1200 watt motor and we got it from Costco for about $120. Yeah, so let's unbox it and see how it is. So here I got my sister with me to help with the unboxing.
Hello.
So before we open it up, let's see what actually comes in the box. So we've got a 1200 watt motor base, an extractor blade, a 900 milliliter handle cup, two 900 milliliter cups, two vessel grips, two flip-flop lids, two lip lids, and a user guide and recipe book. So now let's open it up. So we've got it's included in this and how it works. We've got the recipe book there, and then we've got this. So this is the actual Nutribullet. So here we've got the 1200 watt motor. See there, it's got the Nutribullet logo on there. And we've got these two vessel cups. We've got a cup with a handle here, two lids, and these rings that go on the bottom of those. And we've got the blades for chopping it up. So now let's set it up and test it out and see how it performs in making juice.
To test it out, we have our fruits ready.
So what we're going to do is we're going to put the fruit in here, fill it up to the max line. Make sure you don't fill it up above that line because otherwise it'll overflow and spill out everywhere. So here we got our fruit ready, and now we're going to put the liquid in. We're choosing water for this to just about. So now we're just going to align it up with the three notches here and lock it in place. And now press this button, and so once the light turned green, I press this button, which is a one-touch smart technology button. And what this does is it automatically runs it on a cycle, and once it's all mixed up, it automatically stops. So now let's have a look and see how it's finished out to be. So this is how it is. Looks good. Now let's just pour it in. Now let's try and see how it is. That's really good.
Yeah, I like that.
So even with the beetroot in the juice, it doesn't taste like it has any. And look at the rich red color.
So this turned out to be really good. It blended really smoothly and there was no lumpy bits at all. And it's really good for people who don't really like to eat fruit that much or other stuff. So yeah, it turned out to be really nice. I would recommend this product to a lot of people. So yeah, if you like that video, make sure to subscribe, comment down below if you have this product or another different version of it, and make sure to like, share and subscribe.
Peace.
Hello internet, welcome to the channel. Today we are unboxing the Nutribullet. I've been hearing about this on the internet, that it's good and you can do stuff with it, like you can make smoothies, desserts, sauces and dips. So my mum bought this from Costco for about $120. And yeah, we're gonna unbox it.